running around, working out. That's my favorite thing to do. So I was skiing in Vail, Colorado, and I was flying down the mountain very fast, lost an edge, and had a terrible fall. I could tell immediately that it might be an ACL injury. The first thought I had was, oh boy, I've really blown it now. My sister and I had a trip planned. It was 2 weeks in Italy. I thought to myself, oh no, that's it. I spent the next day making calls for MRIs and surgeons, or even if I were to get the surgery right away, there was no way I was going to be able to make a trip to Italy. But Dr. Wallace the whole time was really positive and optimistic. And when he came in, he said, if you can get the swelling down on this knee in the next 5 days, I will fit you in for surgery next Friday, which was about a week later. I was able to do everything that we had planned. Packing up 6 times, moving 6 different parts of the country. We climbed 250 steps to the top of the Duomo Cathedral in Milan. Surprised everybody. After the surgery, Dr. Wallace showed me several photos that were taken during the surgery, and he told me that he put in an internal brace, and he said I was able to repair it rather than reconstruct it. Recovery overall should be a lot shorter. And I am back to doing everything I love. There is nothing that I feel like I can't do right now that I did before the surgery.